What is analytical chemistry? Analytical chemistry studies and uses instruments and methods used to separate, identify, and quantify matter. In practice, separation, identification, or quantification may constitute the entire analysis or be combined with another method. Separation isolates analytes. Qualitative analysis identifies analytes, while quantitative analysis determines the numerical amount or concentration. Look into the image which has gas chromatography laboratory. Analytical chemistry methods. Analytical chemistry consists of classical, wet chemical methods and modern instrumental methods. Classical methods. Classical qualitative methods use separation such as precipitations, extraction and distillation. Identification may be based on differences in color, odor, melting point, boiling point, radioactivity or reactivity. Classical quantitative analysis uses mass or volume changes to quantify amount. Qualitative analysis. A qualitative analysis determines the presence or absence of a particular compound but not the mass or concentration. By definition, qualitative analysis do not measure quantity. Chemical test, flame test. Quantitative analysis. Quantitative analysis is the measurement of the quantities of particular chemical constituents present in a substance. Gravimetric analysis, volumetric analysis. Instrumental methods. Instrumental methods may be used to separate samples using chromatography, electrophoresis or field flow fractionation, spectroscopy, mass spectrometry, thermal analysis, separation, hybrid techniques, etc. Analytical chemists do perform qualitative and quantitative analysis, sample, define, isolate, concentrate and preserve sample, set error limits, validate and verify results through calibration and standardization. Perform separations based on differential chemical properties, create new ways to make measurements, interpret data in proper context, communicate their results and conclusion to other scientists. Can you memorize what is analytical chemistry? Analytical chemistry studies and uses instruments and methods used to separate, identify and quantify matter. For inspiration, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Henry Ford.